Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel if you're the first time viewer, and welcome back to my old viewers. This is where makeup is passion and beauty is contagious. Now, I'm going to be showing you my haul from Sephora. Now, I did buy these during the Sephora VIB sale, I'm a Rouge. So, I did get a percentage off, and I did like $809 worth of merchandise. So, you take off 20%, and that's what I spent on all of it. So, let me start with some of the stuff that I did buy. Because I did like 3 different hauls for the Sephora sale, the spring sale. So, I picked up this here. And this is for traveling. Now, my mom keeps saying that she wants to go back home for a while and visit, which means that I'll be the one accompanying her there. And back home for us is Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona. So hopefully we'll get there this year. If not, I guess we'll get there whenever she's ready. But this here kit came with the shower gel. Let's see here. The lotion and the spray. The spray smells good, but it lasts maybe 10 minutes max. If that's being generous enough, it doesn't last at all. And you have to keep spraying it and spraying and spraying. Oh, who got time for that? Like, really? Who got time for that? They charge a lot for their merchandise. And yet they make a spray that only lasts about 10 minutes on a person's body. Like I said, 10 minutes is being very generous. But it does smell great. So I look forward to using this. And this is the, I know it has something to do with jets. But it's not saying here. Oh, the jet set. There we go. The summer jet set. Alright, moving on from there. I want to start with the perfumes that I did buy. And one of them is Good Girl. By Carolina Herrera. Now, I have got to stop buying so much perfume now. I have a bunch. And as you see from this haul, I've bought 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no more spaces on my makeup table to accommodate any more perfumes. I said about 4, I really bought 5. The Versace in the background. This here. I bought this for my mom as a Mother's Day gift because she be saying that she needs perfume. So I'm not going to open it, but I am showing you guys because she does watch my channel from time to time. So I don't want her seeing what's actually in it because she's never seen my set. And I don't want to show her because I want her to be a little bit surprised at least. So anyways, I bought the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. It comes in the shoe. Now, you're going to see all these things out of the package because I filmed by myself and I'm holding the camera, so I need to make this easy up on me when doing this. I don't want to have to keep fumbling with boxes to get them out of. So this is what it looks like. And let me show you how it opens. You separate the heel from the base of the shoe. And that's how you spray it. Alright, let me just leave it like that. So then I got the Jo Malone perfume. Let's see. And this one is, I can't really pronounce the name of it. I can't find the name of it. Let me see. I can't pronounce the name, but it's one of its newest perfume that's out. And it smells so good. Let me see if I can get the cap off. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh, this smells delicious. And this is, I'm trying to see because I can't really make out the word name. Well, anyways, it smells so freaking good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So I also picked up another one of the Jo Malone, and this one is Panini and blush suede, I think. This smells, see if I can get the cap off of this. Now, I only looked for this because there was a YouTuber who was saying that she fell in love with it and she couldn't find it anymore because they wasn't making them anymore. And so therefore she ended up in England where they had brought it back. And so she bought her 2 bottles. Alright. This smells good. This smells really good. But I gotta admit, between the 2 of these, this one is the best. This one is a close first, but it's not there. This one smells the best. And I can't believe for 1 ounce how small this thing looks. It looks really small compared to this. I'd rather for it to came in something long like this, where it looked like I have a lot more, than something this short and stubby. But anyway, they smell really good. Really good. So then going over to this one. This is Juliette Has a Gun. And the name of the perfume is Anyway. This smells so good. It's reminding me of Russia. Why it is? Because I've never been to Russia. And I don't know any Russians. But somehow it gives me that vibe of when you see Russians on TV. And they be all like decked out and looking good. And everybody wants to be with them. This is what this reminds me of. Which is really weird. Okay, so let me smell this one. Oh my goodness! This is to die for. This smells so good. Let me sniff this again. Oh, OMG. That smells really good. Really, really good. Alright, so going with the Sol de Janeiro like I was in the beginning. This is the newest body cream that they came out with. I smelled it. I've tried it twice. I want to be fair. But this smells like someone's bad breath who's been smoking. It does not smell good at all. Every time I put it up near me, all I can do is think about people's bad breath that be smoking and not taking care of their breath, knowing that they smoke. This smells awful. So I'm going to see if my mother wants it. I mean, my mom and me, we have some of the similar taste in certain things. But like some things that I bought her that I smelled before giving her, I thought they didn't smell all that great. They smelled good, but they wasn't all that great. When she get them, oh, it's a cat meow. So maybe she will think the same way with this here. I just don't like it. I don't like it. Like I said, it smells the bad breath of a smoker. I just don't like it. Alright, so I ended up getting the big bottle of the Sol de Janeiro Foreplay moisturizing shower gel. This here big boy was only $49. Can you believe it? From a well-known established company that people just gob over. Only had this for $49. Isn't that something? And it smells so good. It smells really good. Alright. So now getting into the makeup part, I ended up getting a Huda Beauty chocolate brown. See if I can open this. Okay, it's gonna make me work for this. And this is how it looks. This no color, just pretty. Now I would have swatched this, but this has been on YouTube for a while now, so everybody and their mama knows how it looks by now. But I think it is so pretty. I don't really like neutrals colors, but I'm down for it when it looks that pretty. I really am down for it. Alright, so this is the Artist Couture. And I've been wanting this since last year. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that so pretty? And this was on sale for $19. That was pretty good. So then moving on over to Too Faced It, the Teddy Bear collection. Because I didn't get the Teddy Bear highlighter because during the sale it was not available. And when you went to its site, it wasn't available. Then when you went to Ulta, it wasn't available just yet. I'm pretty sure it's available now. Let's see if I can get her out. Let's try it like this then. Okay. trying here using one hand. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. That is real pretty, isn't it? Look at this color. I especially like this. Let me see this one right here. That one is so pretty to me. Alright. So then I just stopped there. I picked this up also. Now my niece has a birthday coming up on May the 20th. She's gonna be 22 years old. So I'm trying to put together a makeup I won't say basket because it's gonna be in a paper bag. A gift bag of makeup? I guess it's the best way to say it. So I'm trying to put together some of this stuff for her. So I went ahead and picked this up for her. And let's see how this looks. There we go. These are the colors. This is pretty. Reminds you of a young girl. Yeah, of a young female, rather. This is so pretty. Yeah, it reminds you of a youth. Alright, so I picked up the Mary Jane. And this is my first time buying anything from Milk Cosmetics. So I like the whole thing and how it is raised. Mary Jane. That song reminds me of the song from Rick James, the Mary Jane song. These colors are neutrals, very dark, very gothy looking, very pretty. I'm looking forward to testing this out. I know I got something that at least matches these colors that bring my eyes out even more so. Give my eyes that pop of color. This is what it looks like. Alright. So last but not least is the Natasha, or as I like to say, the Natasha Denona palette. And it's the Circo Loco palette. And they mean a crazy looking palette for those that are circus peoples. Clowns, that's right. Clowns. Little quick story. I don't like clowns. I have a phobia against clowns. It's always been like this since I was a little girl. My dad was like a cowboy. My dad and my grandfather had a farm in the city of Phoenix, what they would call the river bottom. So they shared the farm with other people. So you had your section, somebody else had their section, and so on and so on. And one day we went to the rodeo, because my dad would take us to the rodeo or to the auction to buy cattle. And one day we was at the rodeo, and a clown walked past me, and I braced myself to not scream because I was there with my dad and one of his friends. And when the clown came back up, he laid his eyes on me, and he walked toward me and started doing things, and I started screaming. Ah! Ah! I was just screaming and screaming and screaming and screaming. And my dad started laughing. And his friend was looking at him like, what's going on? And his friend started laughing, and I was steady screaming. And every time the clown would hold out his hands toward me, I would scream even louder. That we ended up having to leave the rodeo. We had to leave the rodeo because my dad made the clown leave me alone. I couldn't get past the fact that he had taunted me like that, and I was devastated. So this palette is kind of putting me in the mind of a circus clown. That's what it's reminding me of. So that was just a little quick story. But anyways, look at these colors. They're so bright and pretty. I like that pink. Well, let me make sure. Yeah, I like this pink. Oh, kind of chalky. Let me see this one. Oh, that's not pink. Let's try this one right here. What's that on my finger? Alright. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty and shiny. Well, this is Natasha Denona's palette. It's very pretty and very costly. So, anyway, that was my $809 haul from Sephora for the spring VIB sale. So, with that, whenever you're watching this, be it day, afternoon, or night, you have a great day, a great night, and a great morning. And God bless. Bye.